good it looks. In order for the water system to be, supply system to be efficient, an equally efficient drainage system was required. And you can see the people all digging it out. And here are all the people above ground enjoying good urban life, with, not really thinking of all the effort that was made to build a drainage system. Sewers originally constructed under the sidewalks for rainwater were enlarged. They were connected to both public and private buildings by clay pipes. Some of the sewers were 6 feet deep. They were all built of stone and mortar, and their tops were movable stone slabs in case repairs were necessary. The slabs were covered by compressed dirt, in which the lead supply pipes from the water towers were laid. Because
lead pipes, huh?
Rome used lead for its water supply, and there are theories about the Romans getting far too much lead than they should have, and that led to the decline of the empire. But those theories aren't taken too seriously. All the sewers were connected to 2 cloacae, tunnels large enough to walk in.
Go, look careful. Are you all done? Or you
carry the water
still mumming
under the walls of the city and down to the river. Iron grills were installed them which let the water out but prevented anyone from getting in.
Go, Lou!